We have officially taken down all of our fall decor and put everything away, but before we can move on to decorating for Christmas, I need to deep clean this house. So let's do it.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Yeah. OVO Sound 2025. Who's calling that shit? Like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine ass home, and that's real. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me. Leaving me. We got sticks in the club illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on the 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pop that ass till the morning come. You want shots for the girls, they don't order some. Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Hey, is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Ashley? Was it Danny? Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Take an ass in the club with your whole world. Take a to the whole world. Is that your bestie?